न ह्यम्मयानि तीर्थानि न देवा मृच्छिलामयाः ते पुनन्त्युरुकालेन darshanadeva sadhavah. This shloka from Bhagavata says that neither the holy water bodies nor the idols of mud and stone installed in temples will purify us. It is having a vision of saints and mentors that leaves a long-lasting influence on us. The shloka doesn't mean visiting holy shrines, taking a dip into holy water bodies, and worshipping the idols of mud and stone or metal are all useless. Undoubtedly, all these rituals are some essential parts of a spiritual life of a seeker. But the most important thing is to gain knowledge. Tamevam vidvan amrita iha bhavati nanyah pantha vidyate janaya nanyah pantha vidyate ayanaya, says the Veda. One can get salvation only through the knowledge, nothing else. The knowledge can be gained only through the vision, having a vision of saints and mentors. When we see the saints and mentors, they pass on us the spiritual knowledge and experience that gives us realization and salvation. But when we visit the saints or mentors, if we bow at their feet and offer circumambulation, just as we do in temples, cannot give us realization and salvation. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya, says Bhagavad Gita. Do meet the saints and mentors. Put forth your questions, doubts. Offer your service to them. And if they are pleased with the eagerness you show to them, gain knowledge, they will pass on the spiritual knowledge and experience on you. That leaves a lasting influence on your personality, especially on your intellectual personality, which finally liberates you through knowledge, realization.